highlights on reflections, windows, or puddles with a soft brush, pretending that tiny invisible entities are lighting them for effect. Use warp subtly on buildings, giving the impression that the city itself is stretching in amusement. Add faint noise and a motion blur to moving objects for a chaotic rhythm. Export the file while envisioning the city taking a collective bow, acknowledging your absurd yet captivating manipulation of reality.